Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And let me ask, have you always wanted to wake up with a view of the ocean? If your answer is yes, well now you can. Located in the upscale community of Spring Valley, St. Mary, for sale is the 7-bed, 9-bath house, completed on the outside with incomplete sections on the inside, ready for you to create your dream home or guest house. The bottom unit is currently tenanted and mostly completed. The middle floor has some finishings, with the top floor totally incomplete. This property sits on over an acre of land and is being offered at a reasonable price. Guys, it's time to take a look at this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 360,000 or Jamaican $55.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.